Are you happy? If you happy, 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 clap your hands. If you happy, 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 clap your hands. If you happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you happy, 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 clap your hands. Yes, I'm happy. Yes, so hello. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to talk about the animal sound. The animals sound. So let's listen. What animal is that? And that? What animal is that? Wow, so let's go. Let's listen and watch the animals sound. Come on, let's go.
Ooh, a duck.
A duck.
An elephant.
An elephant.
Hey, a rooster.
Rooster.
I hear a cat.
Meow.
That's a pig.
Woof, woof, woof. Dog. Woof, woof. Meow, 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 meow. Listen, listen. What do you hear?
I hear a dog,
Dog, dog, dog, dog.
I hear a dog.
A dog. Woof, 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 woof. Dog. I hear a dog.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a cat. Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Cat.
Meow.
I hear a cat.
Cat. A cat. A cat.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a duck, 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 duck. I hear a duck.
A duck.
There's a dog. There's a cat.
Duck. Quack,
Dog
quack,
again.
quack, 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 quack.
Oh, there's a duck.
Duck.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a rooster, 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 rooster. I hear a rooster.
Roostler. Caw, caw, caw.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a pig,
Pig.
pig, pig, pig. I hear a pig.
A pig. Pig. Pig.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear an elephant, 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 elephant. I hear an elephant.
An elephant.
Ooh, a pig. Hey, a rooster. A cat. I hear a duck. Ooh, there's a dog.
Yeah. So there are many animal sound. Yes. So I have a duck. Quank, 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 quank. Quank, quank. Duck. Duck. And I have a pig. Oink, oink, oink. I hear a pig. Pig. Oink, 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 oink. I hear a pig, 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 pig. I hear a pig. Oh, and this. Who is she? Moo. Moo. It's a cow. Moo. I hear hear a cow, 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 cow. Cow. I hear a cow. Moo. Yes, and this. I hear a bird. Bird. A bird. I hear a bird. Yes? So, let's listen another sound. Yes? Another music about the animals sound. Let's go.
On the farm says
a cow on the farm says moo, quack, hee-haw, hiss, hiss, squawk, squawk,
grr, grr.
let's go. A snake in the jungle says hiss, hiss, hiss. A parrot in the jungle says squawk, squawk, squawk.
A tiger in the jungle says grr, grr.
Hiss, squawk. An owl in the night says whoo, whoo, whoo. A wildcat in the night says roar, roar.
A wolf in the night says
Hello, babies. I am here with the girl. Say hello to babies. Hello, babies. I am the girl. Yeah, she's the girl. And did you like the animal sound? Did you listen the animal sound? Yes, teacher. I love animals. Yes, do you like animals? Very good. So, do you know how the wolf does? Do you know how the wolf does? No. Oh, let's do it. Oh, oh, the wolf does. Woo, 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 woo. And the duck. I know, Did you know? Yes. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, the duck says quack, 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 quack. Yes, and the cow. Do you know the cow? Yes. Do you know the cow? Yes, so moo, moo, moo. Yes, the cow says moo, moo. And the owl. No, don't you know how the owl does? The owl does. Ooh, 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 ooh. Something like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. The owl. And the ducky. And the donkey. Do you know the donkey? Yes, and how the donkey says the duck. E-oh, 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 e-oh. Is the donkey. The donkey says e-oh, e-oh, e-oh. Donkey. Donkey, donkey, yes. And the snake. Ah, teacher, the snake. Yes, do you like snake? No. I am afraid of snakes. Oh, but she's nice. Look. The snake says, kss, 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 kss. Yes, the snake. And the parrot. Kurpak, kurpak, kurpak. Yes? Kurpak, kurpak. Very good. They are nice animals. Yes? So, But it's time to say bye-bye. We are going to stay here, okay, with the girl. And let's say bye-bye to our friends. Yes? How we say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, babies. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Yes, babies. Bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.